Station 1 right now, the parts of a parabola. Oh, oh, oh. Parabolas are F-U-N, fun, fun, fun. All your stuff runs off parabolas. So let's get going. We're going to graph the parabola x squared minus 2x minus 3. So let's go to our parabola, and we're going to go to graph, and we're going to hit tab. We got our f1x, and it's x squared minus 2x, x squared minus 2x minus 3. Let me get it in here. So x squared minus 2x minus 3, hit enter. I got my parabola. Now then I need to find the bottom of the parabola or the vertex. So I'm going to do menu, I'm going to trace, and I'm going to grab trace, and I'm going to hit the right arrow button until it says minimum. The minimum means it's the smallest y value you could get, and it's 1, negative 4. So I'm going to go to my paper, and I've traced to the vertex. It's 1, negative 4. That point goes right in the middle. Okay, now then I need two numbers smaller and larger than 1, so I'm going to use 0 and then negative 1 and 2 and 3. So I need those numbers. So I'm going to go to my graph, I'm going to hit negative 1, enter, and the negative 1 is one of my zeros in it. It's negative 1, 0, and hit 0, enter. The 0 is negative 3, hit 1, enter. The 1 is negative 4, that's my vertex. 2, enter. 2, negative 3, and if I hit 3, enter, it's 3, 0, the other 0. So I'm going to go by parabola. The negative 1 was 0, the 0 was negative 3, the 2 was negative 3, and the 3 was a 0, wasn't it? I'm going to go over here and graph this. Remember, your parabola will always be a symmetrical curve, and the dashed line through the middle of the parabola is called the axis of symmetry. The bottom point is your vertex, and it's either a max or a min. In this one, it's going to be a min, isn't it? Okay, now then let's go over here. The vertex was 1, negative 4. The max or min, circle 1, it is a minimum because we have a bottom, and that minimum value is going to be the y of your vertex in it. And then the axis of symmetry is going to be the x of your vertex. It's going to be x equals 1. This dashed line right here would be x equals 1, wouldn't it? That's the line that splits the parabola in two. The domain, if on the graph, is all real numbers. And then the range, look at the range. It's going to be on the y. It will never go below that line. It's only going to go up, which means we're going to use greater than or equal. So we have y greater than or equal to that negative 4 in it. Your y-intercept is right here, which is, if you input 0, you get negative 3. And the zeros are 1 and 3, aren't they? Okay. Now then, you are going to do the station work. After the station work, you'll rotate to station 2, and then you'll take a Canvas quiz at the end of the period. Remember, you are amazing, you were created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.